AC current measurement necessary in series when measuring. AC voltage measurement using transformer. DC voltage measurement, DC regulated power supply and battery measurement display. Diode measurement, positive and negative poles need to be aligned. Button to detect whether the line is on or off. Resistance measurement, both sides can be measured. NCV non-contact induction voltage, same to use. Zero firewire identification, connect the red pin, use the chest pin to take a single measurement. Data retention can keep the current value for video recording.